This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Hurry to this classic Cape Cod style 4-bed 1-bath situated on a corner lot in a well-established neighborhood. This home has a traditional layout that includes a large living room, separate dining room, eat-in kitchen, dedicated laundry room with built-in shelving, enclosed back porch, a large utility room off of the enclosed porch that would make a fantastic second full bath. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs and 2 bedrooms upstairs. There are hardwood floors tJust 1 block to desirable Mary Calcott Elementary and North Side Middle. This home sits only minutes to the Naval Base Norfolk, Ocean View Beaches, and I-64. For more information, review the details below.